Hey, welcome to today's upload. As I just got home and I'm feeling really good because I had me a good Alani. Today's Alani flavor that I had was this strawberry sunset one, and oh my gosh, it was so good. So trying to get myself together and ready. There's a lot of things that I want to do before the storm. So I have a list of things that I need to do. Of course, on that list, I need to wash my sheets and pillow covers. For one, you know, you got slob on them, slept on them all week, and yeah, it's time. Then of course I need to vacuum the kitchen and the living room, and of course into the bathroom. The kids are gonna, you know, vacuum their rooms. I'm gonna wipe down my kitchen table. I got loads of laundry to do. I want to make sure I pull out the candles for myself, just so that we know where they are for this storm. I need to clean the sink and the toilet in the bathroom. Finally put my clothes away. Y'all heard me say it. Get the dishes washed, dishes put away, and, you know, to get the kids in the shower, and then possibly wash my own hair, things like that. I'm getting it all done today. So without further ado, I'm going to do just that. All right, Charles washed all the dishes this morning. I have 2 left, so I can cross that off. I'm going to get ready to come over here and put these dishes away. Some of them still might have water in them, so I just set them to the side. But I know that these are done. Charles never puts stuff in the correct spot because, you know, what man knows where half of this stuff goes. In the meantime, I'm going to go and get a load of laundry started, just because I know, like, how long it takes, being that, you know, we had already put 1 basket out here this morning, and I'm sure that my washer already has a good amount. So I will start off with this small load just because it's not filled up to the top. Alright, I'm using the chai latte fabric softener. I pour that in first. I don't like to pour it in the middle because it just clumps up, and I'd rather do it on the inside. Not too big of a load. I'm using the Arm & Hammer plus OxiClean Stain Fighters Odor Blasters. I don't really care which one I get. I just want to get one. Alright, so I'm able to cross off doing 1 load. I put the dishes away. I can cross that off. And then next is to clean the sink and the toilet. So I'm going to go ahead and put the stuff in for those. And then just let it sit for a few and go back to it. Alright, I'm gonna let that sit for a few. I clearly have, I'm just gonna go ahead and cross it off. I've cleaned the sink and I've cleaned the toilet. Next I'm going to get ready to vacuum, but that's once the kids get in here, and then I will go ahead and mop everywhere once the traffic kind of stops. y'all, I broke the boxes down for these this morning. I'm gonna go ahead, get those put away. Like I said, I was trying to get all the trash out of here this morning, and I'm gonna try to gather up all the trash for today. That way, it's all gone by tomorrow.
I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love.
Trying to find the best way to keep my veggies right here, you know, best kept, because I don't think that I was supposed to do chicken fajitas until Sunday, but we might have to switch it up and do something tomorrow because I don't want those to go to waste. And then my hot dogs were supposed to be for Tuesday. There's no way that those buns will last me 5 days to be used. So yeah, that'll be, yeah, I'm gonna switch that around. Like I said, when you do meal plans, you can kind of maneuver around, but I just want to make the best use of that. So I'm gonna get ready to wipe this table down. I did bring some disinfecting wipes from work, just to kind of wipe things down, stuff like that. I do not need 3, but if that's what came up, all right, I'll take it. Get all these crumbs on the floor, that way I can just sweep and vacuum them up. This drink needs to go somewhere, I swear it will. Yeah, I know it's considered lazy to vacuum, but when you just have tile, I don't feel like it. I'm a vacuum any day because little stuff gets dropped around, and it makes it easier for me to get everything up and then be able to mop. So I'm gonna use Fabuloso once I do this to mop, and of course, you know, try and get the traffic to die down from coming out here as I mop around.
I see the light shining on the stage. This is what I imagine every day. 작은 벽짜리 공간 속 꿈을 노래하는 거울 속에 난 그 무대 위에 더 자유로운데. They say that I could fall.
All right, I got load 2 in. All right, so far I've gotten most stuff done. The last load that I have in currently, which is the second load, is going. I'm gonna go ahead and pull those candles out because those are right there behind me, and then I'm gonna get that mop water ready. All right, so this would be a just in case, but I have spice cider, I got peach black tea, vanilla pumpkin, honeycrisp apple. Listen, they might be fall flavors, but we're gonna use them. All right, so I'm getting ready to mop, but I was like, this is clearly done, so I'm gonna get ready to pull my first load out the dryer and take these into the living room and fold them on the couch once everything is dry, because I'm not about to sit and do multiple loads of laundry. Like I said, do it all at one time, and then I can go ahead and start fixing dinner for me and the kids, which will be here shortly. And we'll go from there. Alright, got load number 4 going in, and once I get this done, mop, eventually get this done and chill. I was supposed to go to a basketball game tonight with Caitlin, one of my coworkers. Your girl chose to opt out. I was just like, nope. I want to get everything done here, because I just know, you know, anything can happen with this storm. So literally, it's like a child in kindergarten or pre-K drawing on a map with crayon. That's how I feel about this crap, because I'm ready for it to be over, ready for it to be done. Okay, load number 3 is in. My sheets are in there and the pillow cover, so went ahead and crossed that out.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more.